Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find deals on the Target app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find what deals are happening in the Target app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, there's multiple ways you can actually go ahead about doing this. First, when you log on to the Target app, you can click on deals on the top hand side, and this is going to actually show you all the deals that are available on the Target app. Next, you could also click on weekly ad, and same thing, if you click on weekly ad, you can actually have it specific to your target location. So if we click on this, you can see all the different weekly ads or deals that are happening at this specific target. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find deals on the Target app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.